When your floors no longer appear as impressive as they did after they were freshly finished, getting that shine back has never been easier with Pop & Shine RTU Gloss Restorer. Regular use will also reduce labor costs by extending your floor's maintenance cycle, making this a must-have for every high-speed burnishing program. Formulated with especially selected polishing agents and enhancers, Pop & Shine RTU removes scuffs and scratches from your floor's finish and rejuvenates it to restore a brilliant luster like magic. And the convenient RTU packaging means no mixing or diluting required.